tracks have been before. IndyCar crash, so it's just very good for him.
E-Type will be starting in 5th in the run of cars.
But second in the queue, so he is the lap down. He's the first of the lap cars. Into the chicane, and that might be an overtaking opportunity.
They've been planning the final few laps. I'm trying to work where's the number 1 Ferrari going? Pick its way up top of this.
Checkered flag out as he gets to the line. It is the winner of the Kinrara Trophy 2019, presented by Hackett. Gary Pearson started. Andrew Smith brings the car home and led every inch of the way, except for the moments it was in the pit.